Okay, I'm taking this little trail down by my pond, and I'm hoping to find some kind of little cool stumpy piece of wood to work with down here. So I'm going to look around and taking you guys along with me to find that. Hopefully we find a cool piece of artwork and not a bunch of ticks. Okay, you're in the clip.
Yeah, you're in the clip.
It's cool. Like I said, I'm just looking to relax, and this is kind of relaxing. There's a couple of, ooh, here's a cool piece. Right there. That might be too rotten. Ah, centipede, we don't need him. Oh, the skeeters are pitiful. All right, I think I found something. It doesn't look like much now, but this is what we're going with. Pig, what do you think about this? What do you think, Pig? This is our sculpture piece. All right, let's go get this done. I'm going to put this in my kiln and just with the heat on and cook it just a little bit to kill any critters in there. The other thing we got is some empty casings, brass. So, and I have a crucible that I've used one time in my kiln. I don't really know what I'm doing with it, but we're gonna melt this stuff down. Okay, here we go. Putting some brass down in here. I think I have the kiln turned up way more than it needs to be for brass, but we're gonna try it. Let me go get the piece of wood. Okay, we're fixing to put the piece of wood in there, and probably a lot of you know that wood, it combusts at some certain temperature. The kiln is heated way more than that, so it's going to start smoking, and I'm going to take it out of there pretty quick. But I just want to kill any ants or spiders or whatever that's trying to hide out down inside there. Oh. Go. Okay. Go. The limbs, it already ignited. All right. It's a little smoky in here, but I'm hoping that any critters were in there are dead now. Okay, right now it just looks like some medieval club. But we're going somewhere with this. Yeah, I'm wearing these. Usually don't, but you should. What are you making? Okay, there we go. I got a mask on if it sounds funny. Safety first here. Look at that. Gloves, glasses, and a mask. Okay, we're gonna crack this lid open and maybe get this out of here. Whew.
You can hear it cooling. Or burning one. I don't know.
I have no idea what I'm doing here. Oh. Whew, that's hot. Whew. I'm gonna try to pour some of that little hole right there. Okay, here it is. Now look, I know good and well this ain't gonna end up in some New York art gallery, but that wasn't the purpose. I was just trying to relax tonight, make something, and you know, what is it? I couldn't tell you. It's just a little stress relief, I guess. So, is this one of the coolest pieces I've ever made? No. But anyways, I'm happy with it for just the evening. I'll probably get some wood oil or something and put on this, so this will kind of come to life a little bit more, but I don't have any tonight. But so this is it for now. All right. Thank you.